The Big Bang Theory explained.
The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological model for the observable universe from the earliest known periods through its subsequent large-scale evolution. It suggests that the universe started from a singular state of extremely high density and high temperature, then expanded over time to its current state. The Big Bang Theory explains a number of observable phenomena, including 1. Cosmic microwave background, CMB. This is a faint radiation echo from the early universe, which is remarkably uniform in all directions. It's a snapshot of the universe around 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when atoms first formed and the universe became transparent to radiation. 2. Redshift of distant galaxies. When we observe distant galaxies, the light they emit is redder than expected, a phenomenon known as redshift. This is due to the Doppler effect and is interpreted as a sign that the universe is expanding, causing the galaxies to move away from us. 3. Abundance of light elements. The Big Bang Theory correctly predicts the observed abundance of light elements like hydrogen, helium, and lithium in the universe. The theory is called the Big Bang because of the rapid expansion that the universe underwent from its original hot and dense state. However, it's important to understand that the Big Bang wasn't an explosion in a specific place. Instead, it was the simultaneous expansion of space everywhere. Thus, you can't pinpoint a location where the Big Bang happened, because it happened everywhere in the universe at once. The Big Bang Theory doesn't describe what caused the universe's initiation or what was happening before it.